Hello friends, now I will show you how to make checkbox in Excel sheet. Friends, you can select the cell first and go to Developers option and go on Insert section and select the third box. And now you can mention yes or no or received, not received anythings as required. And then again go to Developers option. And then go on Insert section and select the third box and again doing same thing. And then drop down in selected cell. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.